Well, they were explosive allegations of sexual assault at a prestigious mid-state school. Now a lawsuit claiming that Brentwood Academy failed to respond to repeated assaults has been tossed. It was thrown out over what defense attorneys say was a blatant show of contempt of court by someone saying he was one of the victim's attorneys. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb attended the emergency hearing.
Brentwood Academy was hardly even mentioned in today's hearing. Most of this surrounded the bizarre behavior of someone claiming to be an attorney for the victim's mother in this lawsuit. It all happened before Judge Deanna Johnson today. She held an emergency hearing to talk about the behavior of Bureon Ledbetter, someone who had told other media outlets he was an attorney representing the victims in the Brentwood Academy lawsuit. The problem with that, the judge said, Ledbetter is not licensed to practice law in Tennessee. On top of that, Ledbetter didn't show up for today's hearing, and during a deposition yesterday, refused to answer questions that the judge ordered him to. Today, that judge spent some time debating whether she should issue a warrant for Ledbetter's arrest, something the attorneys for Brentwood Academy were pushing for.
How can that not be an affront to this bench? How can it not be an affront to that witness chair, an affront to the search for justice? How can that not require a bench warrant to have that individual appear in this court?
In the end, the judge decided to issue Ledbetter a summons for criminal contempt at a later date. The judge is now considering whether to issue an injunction and restraining order, saying Ledbetter has to return sealed case documents to the court by Monday and forbidding him to represent himself as an attorney in this case. The judge dismissed the lawsuit with prejudice, meaning the victim's family will not have another chance to refile the lawsuit again. In Franklin, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.